Installing a memory module. Open the retaining clips at both ends of the memory module slot. Align the memory module with the slot, and then press both ends of the memory module straight down until the retaining clips snap into the locked position. If the 2U Performance heat sink has been removed, reinstall it. If you are installing a rear memory module slots 1 to 32, reinstall the risers if necessary, and then reinstall the rear air baffle and rear top cover. If you are installing a front memory module slots 33 to 64, reinstall the front top cover and front air baffle.